Hey everybody, if you're looking for some new pillows, you may want to take a look at these I just got. Now these are very popular right now. These are the Beckham Hotel pillows. I just ordered 2 of these. You come in a box with 2. So these are queen size. This is a down alternative fill. These are vacuum sealed and we're going to open them up for the first time. I have been using the same pillows for quite a while, and you know, probably not a good idea. If you're doing the same thing, you may want to consider chunking your old pillows because, you know, all kinds of weird, nasty little things can get inside your pillows over time. Don't want to freak you out too much, right? But just something to consider, okay? This thing is sealed in here tight. Get this off of here. I don't want to. There we go. Great. All right, so we're going to get this out. Let them expand. Now, I purposely ordered the queen size. I do have a king size bed, but didn't want to get some that were so big that they would be kind of bulky to deal with and in the way of my wife. We've been staying in a lot of hotels recently, a lot of little road trips, chasing my daughter around to all her different activities. And we have often said how nice the pillows are at the hotel. Well, guess what? These are supposed to be hotel type pillows, right? Okay, very good. Let's move the box out of the way here a little bit and take a closer look. Okay, so they're nice and fresh. You can use this for sleeping on your side, sleeping on your back. Some people may like to put them down by their legs. So the question, are these washable? They are washable. You want to wash them on cold or delicate cycle, air dry or low heat, low tumble heat, but they are completely washable, okay? Getting excited about this. Now, some people wonder how long these are going to keep their shape. Most people report them lasting easily from 1 to 2 years, well keeping their shape, their puffiness. You know, it may differ for you, but for price point, these are a good value and they're going to last quite a while in a normal lifespan. And some people are worried about, do they stay cool? Now they have a breathable design here, so the people that have used these for quite a while, they report that they stay cool at night and that you don't have to worry about it absorbing heat and being hot. Nobody wants to sleep on a hot pillow, right? So yes, cool design based on what I've been experiencing and all of the hotel visits that I've been at recently and over the last few years, quite a few hotel stays. Feels just like a hotel pillow, absolutely. So I'm very excited about this. And your final concern may be what is the firmness of them? They're reported to be basically kind of in the middle, medium firmness, not too soft, not too firm, kind of right in the middle. Just some great pillows here. Really excited about them. If you're looking for some new pillows, you may want to take a look at these. These are the ones I got for my house. These are going to be my main 2 pillows here for me sleeping. Now, I'm excited about them. If you're looking for pillows, you may want to take a look at these. Maybe these will work for you.